Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to claim Shopee insurance. Claiming Shopee insurance in the Philippines is a straightforward process, but it's important to first identify the type of insurance you purchase, as Shopee works with multiple insurers for order, gadget, health, and life coverage. Start by opening the Shopee app, tap Me on the bottom right, then go to My Wallet and select My Insurance, usually found under Shopee Pay. From there, choose your active insurance plan and carefully review the policy details, including coverage, policy number, and claim instructions. To file a claim, prepare the required documents such as a valid ID, policy number, and proof of the incident, which may include photos, receipts, or official reports depending on the case. Tap File a Claim, complete the form, upload the supporting documents, and submit for review. In some cases, you may be redirected to the insurer's own portal using a link sent via email or SMS after purchase. Processing typically takes 5 to 15 working days, and once approved, payouts are released through Shopee Pay, bank transfer, or check with updates sent through the app, email, or SMS. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.